Kipsters. Hi, families. Special shout out to A&T as I wear our Bulldog today. Get ready for number corner. Thumbs up. Elbows out. Get ready. I love math. Yes, I do. I love math. How about you? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Months of the year. Get ready. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Months of the year. My turn first. Today is Thursday, April 9th, 2020. Your turn. Today is You all sound so good. You said today is Thursday, April 9th, 2020. How many days have we been in school? Count with me. Get ready. 100. Stop. Switch. Count by tens. 110, 120, 130, 140. Stop. Switch. Count by ones. 141, 142. We've been in virtual school a new day, so I need to add. You're right, I need to add one more. Let's recount together. Get ready. 100. Stop. Switch. Count by tens. 110, 120, 130, 140. Stop. Switch. Count by ones. 141, 142, 143. Wow, we've been in school a lot of days. Let's go ahead and write that number in our hundreds, tens, and ones chart. So we've been in school 143 days. How many hundreds are in the number 143? Just one, because there's a 1 in the hundredths place. How many ones are in the number 143? So easy. Just 3. You looked at our chart. You saw there's a 3 in the ones place. That tells you there are 3 ones in the number 143. If there's 100 in the number and 3 ones in the number, how many tens are in the number 143? That's right. Just 4 tens, because there's a 4 in the tens place. Time for my favorite question. Is it odd or even? Odd or even? Odd or even? Odd or even? Is the number 143 odd or even, and how do you know? That's right. Shout out to all the friends that use the complete sentence. You said you knew the number 143 was odd because there's a 3 in the ones place, and you know that 3 is odd. One more time. You know the number 143 is odd because there's a 3 in the ones place, and you know that 3 is odd. Say, yep, I got it. Great. No coins today, but it is time to switch count. It's time to switch count. Let's count up by fives. Get ready. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Stop. Switch. Count up by ones. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Whisper. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Stop. Switch. Count up by twos. 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80. Stop. Switch. Count up by tens. 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Stop. Switch. Count back by fives. 120, 115, 110, 105, 100, 95, 90, 85, 80, 75, 70, 65, 60. Stop. Switch. Count back by 1. 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55. Stop, switch, count back by tens. 55, 45, 35, 25, 15. Stop, switch, count back by ones. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Get louder. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Friends, let's count by 5, starting with 5 and go all the way to 120. Count by 5s, get ready. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120. Well, you all sound so good. Let's see if we can sound even better counting by 10s. Count by 10s, get ready. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. You all sounded so good counting by 10s too. Let's see if I can trick you. Let's count by 2s. Count by 2s, get ready. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Let's stop right there because now we get to compare numbers. Say compare, compare, compare. Great. I'm ready to compare numbers too. So when we compare numbers, we always read from left to right or from right to left. That's right. We always read from left to right. We always read from. Great. I want to compare these numbers and see if I'm going to use the greater than sign, the less than sign, or the equal to sound. Think you can help me out? Great. Because Miss Ross really gets tricked with these, so I was hoping you all would be able to help. So I have the number 104 and 109. Let's see. It's a little tricky. I'm going to look at each place value. Place values are hundreds, tens, and ones to try to help me figure out which number is greater. What number is in the hundreds place in both numbers? Yeah, the number 1. Are they the same? Yeah, the number 1 in the hundreds place is the same in both numbers. So I'm just gonna put an X up top because that's not gonna help me figure out which number is greater. Let's look in the tens place. In the number 104, what number is in the tens place? Okay, there's a 0 in the tens place in this number. What about this number? What number is in the tens place? 0, 2. So is that gonna help me figure out which number is greater? No, absolutely not. Let's check to see what number is in the ones place to see if that will help. And the number 104, what number is in the ones place? Right, there's a 4 in the ones place here. And what about the ones place in the number 109? Oh, that is different. There's a 9 in the ones place here. So if there's a 4 in the ones place in this number and a 9 in the ones place in that number, which number is bigger, 104 or 109? Which number is the alligator going to want to eat? That's right. The alligator is going to want to eat the number 109 because 9 ones is greater than 4 ones. Because it's greater than, that's right, because 9 ones is greater than 4 ones. But when I read it, I'm going to read it from left to right. Help me write the sentence. 104 is greater than, less than, or equal to. Yes, it's less than 109. And we know that because 9 ones is greater than 4 ones. Or we could say because 4 ones is less than 9 ones. Let's try the next one together. We have the number 371 and 317. We're going to use the same strategy we used here to figure out what place value will help me figure out which number that alligator mouth is going to want to eat. And the number 371. What number is in the hundredths place? Okay, there's a 3 here. What about this number? What number is in the hundredths place? Wow, they both have the number 3 in the hundredths place. Is that going to help me figure out which number is greater? No, that's not going to help me, so I'm just going to put an X up top. Now let's go to the tens place. We're going to the, that's right, we're going on to the tens place. What number is in the tens place in the number 371? Okay, there's a 7 in this number in the tens place. What about the number 317? What number is in the tens place? That's right. Number 1 is in the tens place. Are they the same number? No, they're not. So that's going to help me figure out which number is greater. So I'm going to underline the 7 in the tens place and the 1 in the tens place. I put a check up top because that's the place value I'm going to look at to help me figure out which number is greater. Since there's a 7 in the tens place in the number 371 and a 1 in the tens place in the number 317, which number is the alligator going to want to eat? Yeah, he's going to want to eat the number 371. But why? Why won't he eat the number 317? Oh, you're right. Because 7 tens is greater than 1 10. Because it's greater than, that's right. So if I'm reading this from left to right, how would I write this? Okay, 371 is greater than 317. And we know that because 7 tens is greater than 1 10. Last problem, we have the number 72 when they try to trick us, and 7 tens and 2 ones. What should I do to help me figure out what 7 tens and 2 ones is? Oh, I can either draw a picture. Okay, let's draw a picture first. So 7 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 2 ones. 1, 2. Let's count to see how much I have all together. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Stop. Switch. Count by 1. 71, 72. Okay, so 7 tens and 2 ones is the same as what number? That's right, 72. So I have a 72 here and a 72 there. Is 72 less than 72? No, that doesn't sound right. Is 72 greater than 72? No, that's not right either. Is 72 equal to 72? Yes, you're right. How did you know that? How did you know 72 is equal to 72? Oh, because 72 and 72 are the same number, so they must be equal. That makes so much sense. I want to shout you all out for helping me figure out how to compare numbers using the greater than, less than, and equal to sign. I get really, really tricked up and confused when I compare numbers, but you all were able to help me out with no mistakes. Thank you so much for helping me become better at comparing numbers. I wonder what numbers we'll compare next week. Bye, Tipsters. Bye, families. Oh.